How to get rid of sulfur burps. Sulfur burps are the burps that are followed by a foul rotten egg smell caused by hydrogen sulfide gas. A burp is a way for the digestive system to release excess gas. This gas is unusual air that enters through the mouth or is a byproduct of bacteria breaking down food. Eating or drinking too quickly can cause gas to enter through the mouth. Other cases may be habits such as gum chewing or smoking, drinking carbonated beverages. In other way, gas is taken into the stomach and then burped back out. As well as having any underlying digestive issues diagnosed, there may be dietary changes a person can make to help reduce or eliminate the unwanted gas that cause sulfur burps. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is another herbal tea that can benefit the digestive system. It may help some people reduce sulfur burps and benefit the immune system over time. Water. Drinking enough water can make a real difference to overall health and can go a long way towards controlling sulfur burps. Drinking extra water helps eliminate bad breath and protect the stomach from invading bacteria. Apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid in the vinegar is believed to help keep the bacteria in yogurt from overgrowing. Some people find relief from unwanted digestion problems by drinking a spoonful of apple cider vinegar mixed in a glass of water every day. Baking soda. Drinking a small spoonful of baking soda in water may help balance the gastric juice and reduce the odor from burps. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is often recommended to improve digestion and eliminate bad breath, and drinking it throughout the day may keep burps to a minimum. It may be necessary to speak to a doctor when sulfur burps occur. The doctor can offer guidance on dietary choices to run digestive tests.